Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video we are going to be doing our Ancestry DNA Kit giveaway. So if you participated, make sure you keep watching to see if you are the lucky winner. Guys, I really just want to thank you so much for watching my content, for joining my channel, for subscribing, and for leaving your amazing comments below and letting me know some of the reasons why you guys wanted to win. It's always so amazing to see how family and ancestry and DNA have such an impact on people's lives. You never know what other people are going through, or how little things like doing a DNA test can really change their life. So I am so happy and so blessed that I can share this experience with someone out there. I really hope that whoever wins, this will be a great benefit to you. I hope that this will help you heal or help you to understand yourself and your ancestry, or to connect with your roots, or I just really hope that it is a life-changing opportunity for you. And yeah, I guess that's it. So let's get into the giveaway. So I've written everyone's name from Instagram, from YouTube, from Facebook, and I put each person on a little paper here, and I cut them up and folded them, and I don't know who is who in here. It's kind of strategic with the dark paper so that you can't see who will be chosen, but yeah, so let's get into it. I'm gonna mix this up really well. And let's see who wins. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go with this one here. And this person is One Frog Legs. So the winner is One Frog Legs, and this entry came off of Instagram, so congrats to you, One Frog Legs. I will reach out to you via Instagram through your direct messages, so definitely stay on the lookout for a message from Naomi Sarah, and I'll get your information and get this shipped to you as soon as possible. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was very short, straight to the point, and yeah, just make sure that you stay subscribed. Look out for some new content from me if you guys want to learn more about how to take care of your natural hair, or even some other different lifestyle videos. And definitely make sure you stay subscribed and subscribe if you haven't already. Just, yeah, make sure that you guys subscribe for February so that you can keep up to date with me, because I am planning a really big trip and I'm planning on vlogging the entire experience, so that should be something very exciting. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.
It's a gas race, it went last place. In my first name.